Hello everyone! If you have clicked on this video, then you probably have been using a bullet journal. And we all know that in spite of countless effort to make our bullet journal mistake-free, some small accidents do occur. So in this video, I will be sharing some ways to fix your bullet journal mistake. At first, let's start with the small mistakes. Number 1. Correction pen. As you can see, I have drawn some small doodles in this spread, but I don't like them anymore. In that case, we can simply use a white correction pen and apply over the unwanted area. Number 2. Stickers. In the same spread, I feel like the star doodle doesn't look good, but I do want some decoration. So I'm using some small stickers to hide the doodle. If you don't have stickers, then you can simply take some craft paper and cut them in your desired shape and stick them up with glue. Number 3. Doodle. A fun way to fix your mistake is to draw or doodle over them. Here I wrote 2 Y's in the letter try, since it's related to food, so I'm turning the extra Y into a noodle ball. You can definitely customize your own doodle as per your words. Now let's move on to some medium-sized mistake. Washi tapes. Washi tapes can be useful to hide stuff that you don't like. Like in this spread, I didn't like the way I wrote gratitude. So I've simply added a washi tape on top of it. It actually looks like an intentional design. Cutouts. If you end up making a mistake while listing things, then you can easily cover up the mistake by adding a cutout. Since this was related to gratitude, I added a quote related to it. You can even add pictures as well. Overlining. Sometimes while writing our title, our hand tends to get unstable and the letter might look a bit wiggly. In such cases, you can simply overline the letters and make them bold. Moving on to some bigger mistakes. Paper. Sometimes you might not like the way you have written some things or might end up listing wrong things. In that case, you can simply add paper from your own bullet journal, which might be a leftover from Dust or Weekly, and cover the mistake. If you don't have paper from your bullet journal, then you can simply use some craft paper and draw some doodle over it and list the things. Next is to stick them together. Sometimes we just don't like the way our spread looks. In such cases, rather than tearing up the page, you can simply stick them together with a glue stick. Now here are 2 bonus tips for you. Number 1. A simple cut. It is very important to understand that perfection is hard to achieve. and isn't quite necessary. So if you end up making a mistake in your bullet journal, you can simply cut it off and move on. Number 2. Leave it as it is. This might sound crazy, but sometimes the mistakes aren't even that evitable. I have written 2 Y's in the letter family, but it is hardly noticeable, so you can leave it as it is. So these were some of the ways to fix your bullet journal mistake. If you have any more ideas, then do leave them in the comments. I would love to know them, and I'll see you in my next video.